Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo A5 Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. This is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's tap on add picture, and here we've got three different sections from which we can choose the picture from. Here we can immediately open the camera app, so you can take a photo of someone who's right in front of you, or you can choose something from the gallery. Here you've got your backed up photos and the illustrations, which are available online, and they are free of charge. So you can choose something from those cute options. All you have to do is to tap on it. Here we've got some kind of preset, so you can change the colors, and basically in all those options, whichever you will choose, you can zoom in or out the photo, you can change the position of it, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So this is what you will see. All you have to do is to tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.